What up, y'all? What up, y'all? Today we're gonna make a tutorial how to shoot a fire. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. You gotta go in controls on your watch, and then go to smooth turn, and make the smooth turn speed exactly 4. No stick dead, 0% stick dead zone, and you should be good. And the mechanics how to use it: you jump up, and then fart and stick drift at the same time. Well, fart, stick drift to do it, and then you use it. Yeah, guys, you use your head to aim. So like I'm looking up, I go up. So like fart, stick drift, real quick. Gotta use fart, stick drift. No, guys, like fart and stick drift, like real quick, like this. It's like together, like fart, stick drift together. I'm sure. Wait, look. Alright, try to do that again. Same. Fart, stick drift. Alright, y'all, this is gonna be the end of the video. Like and subscribe. At 100 subscribers, going to do a big giveaway in Elm Company at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. In the afternoon. If y'all want to join, he'll be live streaming. Pearl, yeah, Pearl. Since that's our fan code, and hopefully we can make some collabs. And hopefully you get the bronze creator.